Okay, for 29, they're saying what number is not part of the domain of the function. So remember, when we have a function like this, g of x equals x plus 2 over x minus 1. When there's a variable in the denominator, we have to make sure that that denominator cannot be 0. And the way we do that is by limiting the domain. The domain are the x values. So we basically say x is allowed to be any number except any of the numbers that would make the denominator 0, right? Because that's undefined. So the question is, when is x minus 1 equal to 0, right? And we have an easy equation, right? And we solve it. And we find out that if x is 1, then the function is undefined, right? Because the denominator is 0. So we would say x cannot be 1 for this.